I waited so long to say this. Welcome on to the first ever episode of the Aryan Sahani podcast. I emailed 100 people. I think it was more than 100 people. One man was gracious enough to respond, Mr. Dhwaj Shah. What he does is he has a channel with over a million subscribers on YouTube, Buildify. Buildify is essentially an architectural media platform, one of India's largest. But the main thing that Mr. Dhwaj does with his channel is that he makes cinema for architecture. बहुत सारे एलिमेंट्स होंगे, एक प्रिंसिपल आर्किटेक्ट होगा, एक बहुत अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट होगा और एक वॉक अराउंड होगा प्रॉपर्टी में जिसमें आपको ये पता चलेगा व्हाट द आर्किटेक्चर वांट्स टू से, व्हाट द आर्किटेक्ट वांट्स टू से एंड हाउ वन थिंक्स when one is developing a project. इस चैनल के फाउंडर से I had an hour long conversation. I hope you like it. So, the first episode begins in 3, 2, 1.
So, your favorite actor? I am, and I'm not sure. But I am to organize a passport. Black Friday, kinds of passport. So basically that genre of film. So I also like, for that matter, Kapoor and Sons जो आया. So that those kind of films which are entertaining. So ऐसा नहीं है कि it's just serious.
But you also chose a dysfunctional family, the real side of it.
If it shows you, it pushes your thinking. And it challenges your thinking in a way. Also sensitive issues shown interestingly.
Yeah.
So I like.
Ramju Senpai should be real, right?
Exactly. But yeah, I mean, essentially a cinema buff. And specifically Bollywood.
Specifically.
Yes. Specific.
Any movies related to architecture? That one that comes right after that.
So the thing is, at least because my consumption of cinema is essentially around Bollywood, I don't see architecture explored too much.
Right.
It's not always emotions. It's around people that is what it. The script is what it. I don't think architecture gets explored the way it should.
I don't think I remember any film.
Yeah, so you don't remember a film in Bollywood explored. इसमें architecture बहुत अच्छे से दिखा है.
I think that's one.
Yeah, I don't say I don't know. But not that something in off the cuff. I remember.
And about the films that you make in Buildify. Let's explore what it is.
Yeah. So Buildify is a platform. We are a media platform that documents great Indian architecture. The idea is to showcase it to the world, predominantly Indians. But because it is digital, because it is on the internet, anybody in the world can consume that content, which are also happening. That's what we do. Our primary mode of content is films and ebooks. So, and what we do is we showcase homes designed by these talented architects all across the country in a filtered, curated way to people.
Correct.
The idea is that you don't need to consume too much. You don't need to consume too much content to get an understanding. You can consume lesser content, but get higher awareness.
How much of your viewership is Indian and how much of it is global? And what percentage of it is tier 1, tier 2, tier 3? If you have an idea.
Yes, of course we have an idea. 80% is Indian.
Sure.
20% is global.
From where?
This is YouTube.
No.
Okay, 20%, in the 20%, US ranks first, UAE ranks second, UK ranks third.
Okay.
Then wherever Indian population is there, but these three countries become very important.
Right. Because of the Indian diaspora, or do those people consume our content?
Predominantly Indian diaspora.
Okay.
Now, these are all your rich Indians who have surplus money, but also have food back in the country. Now, they have a land parcel or land parcels. They want to build homes,
Sure.
but because we've been away from the country for a very long time, we don't know what to do, like where to go, what kind of an architect would I want, what kind of home I want.
Sure.
I don't know.
Yeah.
So, and essentially their search happens online. So they would normally search for ABC, kind of home, this, that, and if our results pop up, that's how they would land on the content, and then that whole journey starts.
Also, do they want to keep a piece of their country?
Absolutely.
Take that and want to see what's happening and then
100%. Everybody, most of them have a foot in the mathematics.
Yeah.
They have land parcels.
Yeah.
So, I mean, they might be very well to do off in the respective country that they are in.
Yeah.
But the heart is here, and they want a home here in the country for sure. So either it could be just that, okay, whenever I come back to the country, I have a place to be, or maybe my parents or my extended family is here, you build a house, and within that I also have my space. So yeah, that's a very clear thing, especially in the South India. And in South India.
It's South very or what percentage of the Indian diaspora which tier-wise consumption?
Correct. Tier-wise consumption, it's it's heavily leaning towards South. And in cities, so Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Kerala. But then, so these are your high consumption focus areas. Then it goes to Maharashtra also, Gujarat also. It's equity across every city.
Is there a reason for that?
So it could be that because a lot of our content is also South focused.
Okay.
In the sense, South focused in the sense the homes are in South. Hence, you get a lot of consumption from South.
Why have you specifically kept it like that? Intentionally?
Maybe normally we don't see it that way. But so anything of good design is what we normally try to filter.
Right.
It's just that South has abundant designs. They have abundant supply.
Yeah.
So you get a better palette to choose from.
Yeah.
North, West, East for that matter also has very
sure.
design.
Taking nothing away from them.
Yeah. Everything is happening. But just that somehow South has been ego's favorite.
See, we were discussing earlier how authentic South Indians are. That translates into their architecture, right? You were saying that they have extremely authentic architecture, right?
This is because they have commendable regional pride.
Huh.
Well, they are not embarrassed. They are not ashamed. They're proud of their existence. They're proud of their origins. They would not want to simply ape the West.
Sure.
They want their columns. They want their Chettinad columns. They want their Avangudi tiles.
Right.
तो वो सब चाहिए.
The courtyard as well, right?
The courtyard, ये सब चाहिए ही हो.
ये सब चाहिए. It's not negotiable.
We are not negotiations. हाँ, अभी उसमें वो घर में अगर बाथरूम बन रहा है, and you have access to better fittings of bathrooms, तो ठीक है, that is okay. Then you can go abroad.
Even integrate.
But the larger narrative, the larger design concept of the home is very much rooted to the Harte. It's very much rooted to the region. Go in Kerala, you get to know if it's so highly contextual. They don't. And again, when I say all of this, and I'm saying is only from a critical mass. There are always people who don't fit in that.
Yeah, outliers are there.
Yeah. While a critical mass of Keralaites who want to go for a Kerala home. Sure. But then there are also people who want to go for modern home.
Yeah.
So that's always going to be there.
Also, see, what we see in Pan India with startups, with businesses, that something happens in the US or the West.
Yeah.
And then it gets trickled down into the metros and then to the tier 2 and tier 3 cities. Is that the same with architecture? Or are we designing? See, architecture in its entirety, in its foundation, is designing homes according to your own local needs, your climate, the materials available locally. So, are we copying designs from the West, or are we building something of our own?
So until 2020, that is before COVID hit.
Yeah.
So there is this whole logic of, the question that you have, why it is the way it is.
Yeah.
Until 2020, the architectural media normally focus on 6 cities, predominantly, largely I would say.
Sure.
Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Pune.
Alright.
You would normally get to see architecture from architects based in these cities only.
Okay.
But here and there, a little bit from Chandigarh, a little bit from Indore, Kolkata is fine. Little bit. Of course, we'll try to touch upon it.
And sorry, I'm cutting it. Think why is that?
Because there is this whole logic that, see, a magazine eventually, because again, for 2020, you're talking about predominantly print media, it has to function profitably.
Sure.
A large amount of architects are based in these cities, which is also the reality.
Acha.
If the magazine is covering the critical mass of architects, then you have advertisers coming, placing ads, and it just makes better business sense.
Sure.
Now, what happened post 2020? So all architects were eventually also dependent on a magazine covering them, giving them recognition, giving them discovery. Until 2020. After 2020, what happened? Because COVID struck, everybody became a publisher. Right? All architects now got their Instagram pages. They understood that, okay, this is visual media and this is the way we are going to get discovered, or this is the way we have to promote our work. Now, what has happened is, you get to see a lot of unusual work which a magazine wouldn't have covered, also gaining recognition.
Right.
Let's say a simple Thoti Mane in Bangalore, just getting coverage. Right. A magazine it would have been very unlikely that a magazine would have covered it, or a traditional media would have covered it. But now because of Instagram, because people are giving their views, people are giving their time, it's gaining popularity. So, and this trend has shifted after 2020.
Sure.
Now what has happened, because of Instagram specifically, the boundaries have broken. So now this concentration on 6 cities is suddenly got to sponsorship.
Got it.
And everyone now can play a level playing game.
Right.
So that's where it has been.
Now, since we've seen everything and we are seeing designs from the whole of India,
Yes.
are those predominantly copied from the West or are they based off of India?
A large part aspires a modern home.
Sure.
And modern in this context, what I mean by that is something that works in the West. There is a large segment that wants a modern Western home.
Why do you say that works in the West?
So modern by itself, when I say modern architecture, does not necessarily mean Western architecture.
Right.
It has its own definition. Theoretically, it has its own definition. However, general people wouldn't know that, obviously. So they will say, मेरा घर ये कोई modern था, ये कोई contemporary है. Contemporary तो चलो खैर अभी भी थोड़ा complicated है. मुझे एक बढ़िया मकान बना था, जो नया हो, शानदार हो, आलीशान हो, that is how it will be. So, और गूगल पे हम जाएंगे, हम सर्च करेंगे ऐसे मॉडर्न बाथरूम्स, मॉडर्न किचन, मॉडर्न होम्स, जो रिजल्ट में आ रहा है वो जाके आर्किटेक्ट्स को दिखाते हैं, एंड दैट्स हाउ दे वुड वांट टू डिजाइन देयर होम्स. It's only now, with the media, especially with Instagram, because now architects have started showing work. They are not dependent on any magazine to showcase their work.
Right.
I can be my own publisher.
Yeah,
I can have my own.
they created their own distribution, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
They've created their own distribution now. But how authentic I can be in that is eventually going to be the game. But technically now I'm not dependent on a media house recognizing me.
Right.
Or media house discovering my work. It would matter, yes, from a recognition perspective. Because what happens is, so let's say if you're getting filtered and there are these few architects who get filtered and come up in a particular set, it adds value for sure. But still discovery is open. I can still get discovered.
Right.
My business is not strong.
Also, since you said that people are on Instagram, right? People are on YouTube. What do you think, according to you, which format truly drives decision making? Suppose I see a long format walkthrough video with a principal architect on Builder 5 on YouTube. It's a 17-18 minute video, high production quality, everything is great. Do I base my decision on that as a consumer? Do I see a 1 minute reel on Instagram or a 1 minute short on YouTube and base my decision off that? Or is it Pinterest images? What are consumers or architects or builders basing their decision on? Which format is truly driving decision making?
See, Aryan, everything is working.
Okay.
Sure. Everything is working. Somebody who wants to build a home, let's start with that.
Right.
A bungalow, in our case. And let's take a minimal plot, like a 60-40, so which means you're looking at a 2,400 square feet plot, a 5,000 square feet built up, which means you're looking at a ground plus 2.
Right.
Even if a decent budget would be 5,000 rupees a square feet. So 5,000 into 5,000 would be 2.5 to 3 crore of total budget, right? Total design budget. Land is different.
Yeah.
Right? Design and construction budget.
Yeah.
somebody who's willing to invest 3 crores on designing a home
Right.
is not doing time pass on Instagram.
Sure. 100%.
Okay. When they are coming and they are intending to search or trying to make that discovery, they would want to take time. Right. They would want to feel that they are in safe hands. And hence, maybe something like YouTube would work.
Sure. But
That does not mean that Instagram doesn't work. It works a middle.
sure.
Yeah, because again, going back to this conversation which we were just having, are you authentic across the platforms? Are you authentic on YouTube, Instagram, or that matter even Pinterest? All 3 are brilliant platforms.
Yeah.
If you're not authentic, it didn't show up.
Sure.
And also otherwise, if you are, it will also show up.
But-
It's just a game of authenticity. So it's not that whether, there are so many decisions homeowners have made just looking at a particular reel on our Instagram or are making, forget us, even otherwise, they are making decisions on Instagram today. Or maybe it just becomes a very good first point of contact for me.
Right.
The entry point, get a very good entry point. Eventually, जब तक हम मिलेंगे नहीं वो architect को, it won't work. So Instagram is a very good catalog. It's a very good brand building tool or promotional tool.
And for the architects, is it a great platform for inspiration?
Yeah, very good, amazing platform. It's a very focused, and because architecture is or interior design is a very visual
Visual medium.
very visual medium, right? Instagram तो पूरा ही कुछ वीडियो है,
Right.
तो वो तो it's a boon.
Also, do you think, since we do trendy designs now, we have modern interiors, do you think Pinterest, copying designs from Pinterest as it is, form और function कितना है? Practicality कितनी है? लोग Pinterest से designs उठा के डाल रहे हैं या is it actually practical? And अगर डाल भी रहे हैं तो is it wrong or is it right?
Adapting anything is not wrong.
Sure.
It's just that when you adapt without logic, that's stupidity.
Does that happen often?
I wouldn't have the right estimate of it, but it happens. From what I've heard from the architects, it does happen.
It does happen.
They will have clear bookmarks.
And it was-
bathroom के मुझे these are the instructions. This is the kind of bathroom I like. This is the kind ऐसा बना के दीजिए. Literally.
ऐसा
Just do this.
Copy and paste.
Yeah. So a lot of it gets driven by the homeowner,
Right.
Who's paying the bill,
Right.
Who's investing. He's at the top of the food chain. He or she is at the top of the food chain, right? Eventually, then it's the architect's call whether he or she wants to service it or not. But they would normally service it because if the client wants it, he wants it. Well, so adapting without logic, absolutely
That's just
uncalled for. We get so many calls. Well, we get calls which says that अगर आपकी if I'm downloading your PDF ebook, मैं safe to say अगर मेरे contractor को दे दूँ, तो क्या वो ये घर बना पाएगा? So normally what we would say is ये जो ebook है वो आपकी inspiration के लिए है.
Right.
आप इससे घर नहीं बना सकते.
Sure.
आपको आइडिया मिलेगा पूरा कि ये जो हम दिखा रहे हैं वो घर कैसा बना हुआ है.
हाँ.
But ideally we would recommend that you get an architect on board.
Sure.
It's important that you show that this is my line of thinking. This is the kind of home I want. This is the kind of kitchen I want.
Sure.
For that, taking inspirations, no harm. Because otherwise, how would the architect even understand what the client wants?
So you are saying, I can tell you if I want an island kitchen or a parallel kitchen or an L-shaped kitchen, but then everything has to be designed
It
on
should be-
AutoCAD and then implemented also.
Yeah, absolutely. And that should be the way.
Sure.
That should be the way.
Also, what's your selection criteria? Suppose I'm an architect based out of Jaipur or say Hyderabad or Chandigarh. How do you select which people, which projects come onto your platform? What special should I have? What's the speciality that I should have? What's the process of getting shortlisted for a video on video?
The answer is very simple. The project design has to be interesting. Now, whether it is interesting or not, these are subjective criteria. So we have an editorial team which looks into it. But at the same time, we don't take decisions just based on photographs. We specifically ask for concept notes because we want to read and understand what was the thinking. Because we are into films and showcasing homes through films, we need to know the why as importantly as the what. Which means, घर कैसा दिख रहा है वो तो important है ही, but वो ऐसे क्यों दिख रहा है वो ज़्यादा important है. Because we have to talk about the process, we have to talk about the mind of an architect.
Sure.
These things have to come out of the film.
Yeah.
So that's one. So whether you are an unheard firm, a new firm, a less popular firm, a very popular firm, it doesn't matter.
Or
Anybody can make it entry.
okay.
It's not a populist, it's not an elitist
Yeah.
platform.
Yeah.
कि हम इन्हीं आर्किटेक्ट्स का काम दिखाते हैं, वैसा है ही किसी का भी काम किया सकते.
And that's the way it should be.
That's the way ideally it should be. Ideally. And that's what we follow. So the project is the hero.
Yeah.
The creators take a backseat.
And what's the process?
The process is to just pick up the phone, pick up, or maybe send us an email. This is the project that you've come up with. Here are the photos. Here is the concept note, basic information about the project. See if it is fit into your criteria, and you would love to get published. Simple. If it fits every project email that we get from a firm, we respond. Whether a yes or a no, we always respond.
Okay.
And if it's a yes, then you just straight away go and flip it. We don't charge a single rupee to any architect.
Achha.
It's all editorial. We invest. Our team goes. We do everything, and we come back and we showcase the content.
Achha. Okay.
It's not a paid service. It's an editorial.
Also, always want me to ask you, whenever I saw Bidofy videos, there are principal architects and there's concept and there's all this jazz, right?
Yeah.
Not all people are good at communication.
Right.
How do you make a setup where you make the videos that you do? How do you implement that?
So there is a whole guideline that goes from our side to the architect before the shoot. And one of the key points in that guideline is please be as natural as possible.
Right.
You don't have to memorize a script. These are pointers. These are proper points actually the way they work. If you're comfortable in speaking in regional language, we are completely okay with it. Don't be embarrassed that you cannot speak fluent English.
Sure, I will.
Yeah. So ये चीजें हमारी तरफ से उनको comfort दे देती है. Because a critical mass of architects are normally not very good at talking about their projects.
Yeah, sure. That's not their fault.
Yeah, few have now picked up. I mean, so now, there is a whole set of people who know how to promote their projects really well. But still a critical mass does not know how to talk about their projects.
Sure.
So that's where we enter.
Yeah.
How do we just make it a simple setup? Imagine you are just sitting in a restaurant with a friend and, or maybe with your team and you're talking about the project. How would that setup be? So then, chalo theek hai.
Let's go close.
Yeah, so the person is not judging me on my inability, but judging me on my capabilities.
Sure.
And my capability is that I can design.
Right.
I am not an entertainer. So as long as the architect is, again, authentic, is communicating complex things of architecture in a simplified way, the attention is guaranteed. The hook is guaranteed.
Yeah.
So people connect.
Yeah. For sure.
People connect.
Yeah.
People are not wanting to be unnecessarily impressed by public speakers.
Yeah.
They're looking at designability.
I think that's why bloggers are so big in India, and I think relatability is the biggest hook under content in India.
There was this case where we had interviewed this architect in Jaipur. That was the first time, and so we were not aware, and he came, and till then, every interview of ours with the architect was in English, always, till then. This guy came and said that, look, Hindi is why I'm comfortable, because what do we do? We had to think over it that time. We took like a 5-minute thing where we discussed with the team, and then that's where this whole thing got germinated. That we should take pride in what the language, what the comfort of the architect is.
Yeah, right.
That video has crossed 1 million views. He just connected with me. Like what language connected with me.
Right.
It's irrelevant.
Both of us are commerce graduates. From the same group of colleagues.
Yes. Yes.
I'm from NML, you are from UP.
UP, है ना? Yes, we were the pioneer batch.
Yeah.
First batch, and we didn't have any college building also.
So 15-20 साल के
Yeah.
चेंज नहीं हुआ.
Yeah.
You're not an architect.
No.
You're a commerce graduate. अब मेरा भी दिल करता है कि मैं I should take up filmmaking. I should just become an actor, है ना? या I should do something that interests me.
Yeah.
But वो फर्स्ट स्टेप कैसे लिया? आपको ये क्यों नहीं लगा कि this is not for me, this isn't my field?
Right.
Or do you remember your first video, Build a Fire? I want you to answer all of these questions.
Yeah. So again, before so Buildify is basically me and Neetal, we both are co-founders, and we both started this whole thing. Before that, I was into book publishing on architecture. So during that time, that 6-7 years of my time, I built a connect, like a small network with architects who used to send us projects and used to publish these books.
Right.
It's only with Buildify that we got into the digital medium, because if you have to look at scale, it's only digital.
100%.
Something in digital from a scale perspective. But we were also figuring out digital में क्या है? अच्छा, मतलब what do we? So architecture, yes, but what do we do under digital? But before I come to that, let me answer that question off first. If you are waiting to jump in the pool for too long, so water will freeze.
Right.
If you want to really know the depth, you just have to jump. There's actually no.
Sure.
Having said that, that does not mean that there was no anxiety, there was no insecurity.
That's very natural.
Yeah. कुछ भी आप kickstart करते हो, it's a natural thing.
Yeah.
उसमें से जो बाहर निकलता है, actually make it. So you're also competing at different levels, right? So let's imagine there are 100 people who want to start a business.
Right.
100 में से मान लो 80 जन सोच रहे हैं कि how do I do it? हाँ.
Right.
20 people think, let's take the first step. Now suddenly your funny becomes of 20 people.
Right.
Now these are 20 people who think, okay, let's do something.
Sure.
But then of these 20 people who it will be something, no, let's do this, let's do that, ये भी करते हैं. फिर वो 20 में से कुछ लोग, आधे से ज्यादा लोग बीच में से ही निकल रहे हैं, ये मेरे काम का ही नहीं था. It's okay, I'll figure out something else.
Sure.
Eventually that 1, 2, 3, 5 people, maybe they stick around. Then again the game changes. How long you can stick around?
Right. 100%. Consistency is the key.
Consistency is the key. So at different levels you are competing only. That way. But at the crux is, can you just be in the first 20 of the 100?
Sure.
Just take the first step.
जब I was preparing for JEE and eventually GMAT और ये सब, teacher used to convince me the same way कि आप you are serious. 20% of the people are serious. या फिर भी नहीं निकला कुछ, पर that's how. Yeah, sure.
So that's how it was being.
Yeah, that's
game.
not true.
Any sport is like that.
Yeah.
This many there are 11 people only get to play in the cricket team.
Sure.
Imagine the amount of people who want to play. क्या funnel है?
क्या फन है? 140 करोड़ से गया.
140 करोड़ को तो क्रिकेटर नहीं बनना है. मतलब आप ऐसे समझ लो 1 crore को बनना है. Just an example.
Sure.
फिर भी उसमें से 11 is I don't know how much it translates into percentage. 10 लाख को भी अगर बनना हो फिर 1 crore now 10 lakh in the country who want to become cricketers. Just imagine 11. कितने जीरो हटा हो गया? 0.000% पे गया था शायद. So वो funnel आप choose कर दो आपका कौन.
हाँ.
आपको क्या करना है?
And what about your first video with making
Yes. Our first, so during, again, when we started Buildify, so our company name is Skyboard, and Skyboard, in the first 2 years, we just spent it figuring out क्या करना है, कैसे करना है. ये करते हैं, वो भी करते हैं, ये भी करते हैं, वो भी करते हैं. मतलब सब कुछ करेंगे. we तो सब कर सकते हैं. फिर समझ में आया कि सब कुछ करने में मजा है ही. Just have to pick one, execute it well, and do it again and again.
But the first 2 years are extremely important, right?
Yeah.
For the cancellation.
So,
मतलब क्या?
so you can be that 80.
Yeah.
You can easily mean that 80.
Yeah.
जो
Yeah.
बात.
Yeah.
Very easy. वो first 2 years में खत्म हो जाता है. Right. आपको पता चलेगा कि काम का ही है ये बात.
पर स्टार्ट करने के लिए बहुत जरूरी है ना कि imperfectly स्टार्ट कर दे.
So ये जो concept है ना, imperfectly start करने वाला logic, it's just unnecessarily glamorized from the West.
Sure.
Fail fast, stay fast. It's again. So I personally don't subscribe. I think you could do better with applying a little software.
Yeah.
But at the same time, don't get into analysis paralysis.
Right. Sure.
अब बहुत कुछ एनालाइज करके जाओगे तो इतने पैरालाइज हो जाओगे कि आप कुछ कर ही नहीं पाओगे. It's very important that you do apply thought. Okay, but don't start with this thing that imperfection is glamorous. Imperfect होना ही बहुत अच्छी बात. You can apply thought. You can put a little structure कि ऐसे ऐसे करेंगे ये करेंगे, and give room. Your larger percentage could be openness to just execute. यहाँ पे आप imperfect हो.
हाँ.
It's okay. No problem.
But you can't be lazy and not apply effort and then be.
फिर वो को अरे ये तो ऐसे ही होता है, उसकी जॉब से ऐसे ही किया, ऐसे नहीं होता.
ऐसे नहीं किया तो.
ये गलत ग्लैमराइज्ड होता है. ये रॉन्ग चीजें और फिर ये आर्टिकल्स जो आते हैं फेल फास्ट, स्किल फास्ट. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. एवरी आप किसी को भी पकड़िए. टू टेक अप एलॉन मस्क, टू टेक अप स्टीव जॉब्स, Google, take a classic example of Google, right? They only wanted to solve the problem of searching every website.
Sure.
They did not think of news. They did not think of maps that time.
Right.
They did not think of Gmail or anything.
Yeah. Sure.
सारी वेबसाइट्स है वर्ल्ड की. उसको क्या मैं सर्च कर सकता हूँ? एक प्रॉब्लम.
You also might have heard from elders. I have heard this कि पहले मैं लाइब्रेरी जाता था, मुझे वर्ड मीनिंग भी देखना होता था, डिक्शनरी खरीदता था, या फिर कुछ चीज पढ़नी होती है, मैं पूरी लाइब्रेरी छांटता था. And then came Google and this.
Now it's very simple, right? If you just want to put something,
Sure.
everything is there.
Suppose I am a student of architecture, but I have done 5 years of college. अब मैं बाहर निकल रहा हूँ. I don't necessarily want to pursue architecture. शायद मुझे entrepreneurship करनी है. Maybe I want to go in finance, in tech. Maybe something of that sort interests you. Is there a specific lucrative career, alternative lucrative career for architects wherein what they've learned in the 5 years is a lot of time. वो उसको वेस्ट नहीं कर सकते ना. कुछ ऐसा है कि मेरे पास एक ऑल्टरनेटिव करियर है जिसमें आई एम एन आर्किटेक्ट बट आई एम नॉट शायद.
5 years, as you rightly said, it's a considerable amount of time that a student puts in
Sure.
of their life into academics.
Right.
5 साल तो ग्रेजुएट होने को लगेगा.
Sure.
ठीक है. And ये also it's a very expensive course.
Very
Very expensive course. The kind of money that goes into building models, print and stationery, अलग ही खाता चालू है उनका. It's a very expensive course. Otherwise, and apart from the course fees, you also end up investing a lot of money because you want the right prints, you want the right paper, everything. The good thing about architecture course or the 5 years of academics is exactly what IIT does to its students. You don't necessarily become an engineer if you're pursuing IIT.
Sure.
This is a classic example, right? I mean, this entire group of PVF,
Yeah. On the hand. Yeah.
they're from
IIT.
What are they doing? Are they engineers? No, not at all. They're entertaining people. So what something like an IIT does is, or engineering actually, forget IIT, actually engineering does really, is make you discover your true self. So what you want to be. Where does your passion lie?
Sure.
If your passion is engineering, great. I mean, great, just jump into it. Similar is architecture. It helps you figure out what you really are. If you leverage it that. Otherwise, बैठ के क्रिप करना है कि ये है, डेडलाइंस है, ये है, तो क्या है? Alternate professions typically have alternate professions. You can be a photographer. You can be a cinematographer.
Sure.
You can do writing.
You get an eye for that?
Yeah. Up constantly for 5 years, if you are into that zone of observing spaces, understanding design,
Sure.
materials, textures, light,
Right.
context. You have 5 years you're spending, whether you like it or not, you're spending 5 years.
Sure.
If at the end of 5th year you understand, look, I'm not somebody who wants to practice architecture and do drawings, present clients.
Right.
I don't want to manage clients. Sure, I want to be connected to this stream.
हाँ.
That's where
Or the anime films. Yeah.
And that's an alternate architecture starts.
Sure.
There are many architects who've turned photographers. There are architects who are also turning filmmakers. Again, their population is very small, but they are turning. A lot of architects are turning, writers. They want to talk about buildings. They want to talk about architecture.
Right.
You can get into documentation as well. एक बिल्डिंग है उसको जाके आप डॉक्यूमेंट करके
हाँ. Right.
if you are an architect for 5 or if you're studying architecture for 5 years, you could use your entire experience and knowledge to come up with solutions that can impact the world. Sure, can trigger. Come up with a product. Come up with something that's low on carbon footprint.
Sure.
You could do so much. You don't then need to be an architect.
You're literally an architect. You're a creator.
Creator. You're doing something.
Sure.
So, alternate professions, बहुत सारे हैं if you're an architect. But you don't want to practice architecture.
As a country, built civilization,
Yeah.
in all its grandeur, our architecture was renowned worldwide. What's stopping us to go on the global stage now? Are we there yet, or are we not there yet? And how do you think हमारे डिजाइन्स क्यों नहीं, इंडियन आर्किटेक्चर यूएस में लोग क्यों नहीं बोल रहे कि मुझे इंडियन घर बनवाना है, जैसे हम बोल रहे हैं कि मुझे मॉडर्न घर बनवाना है? City plains.
Lovely question. Yeah. I don't have a very clear answer. I'm not an expert in this particular thing. But again, it will boil down to national pride. जिसे हमने पहले बात की national pride की.
Sure.
This could just boil down to national pride.
Sure.
We don't have a common architectural language in the country.
Right.
And there's no, I mean, so if you go to any country, and especially in Europe or let's say even Japan,
Sure.
there is a particular characteristic of architecture.
Because the people are familiar.
Yes, they derive pride in, they are very conscious about what it is. However, that thing is changing. Okay, at the moment, if you ask, there is no answer. That thing is changing where people, so that one population will always be there who wants to, whatever is going on in the West or UK में हो रहा है, UAE में हो रहा है, वैसा ही वैसा आलीशान घर चाहिए, तो stop 100%. उसको आप नहीं चेंज करवाएंगे, over time तक नहीं चेंज. The other population is realizing. You should see the comments that go on our YouTube channel, especially the way we get to know these things. People want contextual solutions.
Sure.
They want contextual design. They don't want. In fact, many times we are worried if the home is very modern, it just doesn't work.
It doesn't work.
It just doesn't work in the sense it just doesn't get its viewership. It could be from a very good architect, very good home.
Right.
Magazines would love to publish it. It just doesn't work.
Not the guys though. And
Yeah.
does an example come to your mind?
No. I wouldn't want you. But there have been many. I mean, the views will give you a clear image.
Yeah.
Instead of something being a great piece of architecture, and architecturally the project is created. So forget whether it's modern, Indian. So ऐसा नहीं है कि we should only have Indian home design. So eventually it's my taste. If I want a modern house, I want a modern house. There's no harm in it. There's absolutely no harm in it. It should just be relevant to the context. That's it. Context को relevant नहीं है तो वही तो I mean, so if in Rajasthan, अगर आप एक घर में maximum glass use कर रहे हो, it is contextually stupid because of the heat. Correct. But you want glass because you want to look modern.
Yeah.
Right. Now, does that make glass into a bad material? Absolutely not.
Sure.
Right. It's a very good material. If it's used rightly, it's a very good material. So when we talk about contextually irrelevant, this is what we are talking about. Just to look modern, you're blindly aping what is happening outside. Right. 100%. That is being contextually irrelevant. Otherwise, I think we should just be open to whatever nice that you could get in different parts of the world. Japanese architecture is fantastic.
Sure.
Architecture in so many countries of Europe is fantastic. That's and across many other places as well. Coming back to what Indian architecture, as you asked, right? Concepts like courtyard, right? Concepts like jalis. These are all given by India to the world.
Right.
And they are originated in our country.
Sure.
Go to a temple today in any place, any part of the country, even if the weather is hot, humid, dry, there is a certain sense of calmness that we feel inside the temple.
Sure.
And when I'm saying calmness, we are not talking mental calmness. We are talking actual physical calmness. Climate change हो जाता है.
Right.
हमें तो किसी ने नहीं बताया कि local sourcing ही करो.
हाँ.
You know, why did we have a tiny marble? हमने तो मकराना मार्बल ही सोर्स किया. बिल्कुल. तो हमें वो कॉमन सेंस जो आर्किटेक्चर का होता है कि लोकली सोर्स ही करना है.
Right.
वो तो पहले से ही था, हमें किसी ने बढ़ाया नहीं अभी. So if Indian architecture has to really stand out or make its place in the world felt, climate change is one area that needs to be tackled.
Right.
And because it is otherwise good design produced better is easier now with technology, with access to content, and also with upgradation of client. All of that has become very easy. But with the architecture, when you're producing an architecture that can solve the problem, the biggest problem, which is the climate change issue, that's where we will stand out in the world. And we have been doing that.
Sure.
Our temples or any other places also, they never had any fans.
Yeah.
And that is still cooler. So
Because
cross ventilation, natural light is a ingrained. Nobody ever studied. It was just natural.
And are we making everything in a very brutalist fashion now?
There are parts, eventually, unfortunately, what also happens is, look, architects have to eventually service clients. They're paying the bills. So you have to attest to their needs.
Do cities have good architects?
Yeah.
Indian city.
Yes. Very good architects. Every city. And I'm not talking just about your metros. Interiors. Amazing talent is there in the country.
No, I'm saying, are Indian cities designed well? Because we don't have proper sidewalks to walk,
Yeah.
and we don't have, a flyover goes like this,
Yeah.
and then it gets nulled on another road.
Yes.
And why do we have these problems? Is there a lack of quality town planners in India? What is it?
You see, these are all very political issues.
Right.
Yeah, it's a lot of it is driven by politics.
Sure.
So inaugurating a flyover, let's say, even if the flyover was not required,
Yeah.
let's say, but building one and inaugurating one is you kind of communicate progress.
Right.
So the perception is that क्या डेवलपमेंट मुंबई में चल रहा है यार फ्लाईओवर देखो क्या फ्लाईओवर बना है
Right.
maybe again and see maybe the flyover wasn't required
Yeah. Sure.
maybe again
Sure.
and if building a flyover is considered or perceived to be progressive. Yeah. Also, when you build a flyover, it also gives you an opportunity as a politician to promote and say that look how progressive I am as a politician. So no, eventually I want votes. I wouldn't bring architects in this situation because ये architects का काम नहीं है flyover बनाना. It's a very politics engineering
Right.
thing that happens.
Contract.
At the same time, contractors absolute. At the same time, give the city to very good architects, and let's say aside to good town planners, you see a complete shift. There are glimpses of it already happening.
Yeah.
Some parts of it,
Huh.
that get changed dramatically.
Sure.
With an architect's involvement.
Well, no, just digressing, but you think South Indian architecture is so relatable, so authentic because there was less loot and plunder in South India as compared to the northern parts of India. Are they more authentic because the culture is reserved there? And are North Indians more, they want to show what I create because they haven't been stable since ages.
So partly, there is no one shot, one clean answer. It just again boils down to the same thing. I think they just derive pride in their origins.
Sure.
They're very proud of their origins.
Sure.
They have no problem in wearing a lungi. Very, so that's considered to be a matter of pride.
Sure.
That I am what it is.
Which is how
This is what I am.
Sure.
Whether you accept or not is your problem, not my problem.
Yes.
because history would not be my area of expertise. So I don't know whether just because North India was looted more and South was not, that's a very grave topic to touch on. And how it impacts architecture and not be the right person.
Sure.
But yeah, people, eventually architecture is a reflection of what people are willing to invest into.
Yeah, sure. 100%. I'll end it by asking you a Nikhil Kamath podcast question, which he begins by, I am a 23-year-old.
Right.
You scaled Velokai into one of India's largest architectural media platforms. How should I go on scaling my business?
So when you ask my business, are you talking about a practicing architect or just
In general.
in general?
Yeah.
Pick one problem, solve it in a way that nobody can solve it.
Sure.
That's two.
Sure.
And three, this is the most important part, is do not get obsessed with scale on day one. Right? It's a disease to think of scale on day one.
Sure.
So for example, if you are planning to get into the business of selling coffee, make the best coffee within your possibilities. Ensure that you have enough takers so that you can survive initially. Day one पे मत सोचो कि यार मैं तो पूरे इंडिया में कॉफी बेचूंगा.
Right.
Very, very local. Delight your customers. Are they coming back? So, are they coming back by saying, "यार वो जो कॉफी अपने दी थी वो मुझे ना." Until that is not happening, total drink of steel.
Right.
Don't try to not get into the funding route early.
Right. Sure.
Unless your product is very, very tech dependent,
Right.
or it's a tech product which needs initial capex, then it is understandable. But many businesses or many ideas can flourish without any investment. Because excess capital will make you less creative. You will not normally solve problems. You will just figure out कि पैसा यूज कहाँ पर. पैसा नहीं होता है तब समझ में आता है कि इसको करना कैसे.
Right. You got it.
So again, coming back to the same example, if you are into selling coffee, do you have 10 takers to start with? Are those 10 people coming back to you again? Are they coming back to you again? Third time, fourth time. Week on week or month on month, let's say. Are you growing week on week from 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 12 to 30?
Right.
It's this concept or zero compound.
Sure.
Right? You don't need a spike. In fact, that spike will make you mad. It start recruiting many people and eventually the downfall I also slow compounding is great. 10 ka 11 ho raha hai, very good, no problem. So these are the things that you need, but absolutely high focus on product quality and customer delight. There are very few brands that really take customer delight and the word delight seriously.
Thank you so much for coming on a Complete Strangers first episode. And do you have a suggestion, a question, something for me?
No, I think I don't have any suggestion. But what I would want to say is keep the curiosity going. Be as authentic as you can.
Sure.
I think, one is curiosity, one is authenticity. Everything in between will be taken care of.
Right.
Like, getting the right audience to watch content, getting the right brands to sponsor, everything will happen. But if there is a problem with authenticity, it won't work longer. So that's, and curiosity. So if you're not curious, it will not again work forward. That's about it. Everything else, I'm happy for having me on your first part.
Pleasure on mine. It was great talking to you. So thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks.